Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. And it is April 24th. Hope you guys having a great day and hope you guys got some great upcoming plans, especially considering, of course, we are all pretty much quarantined for the most part. But hopefully, you guys are able to get outside a little bit here. We do got a couple items here on the economic calendar, and we'll start off with the durable goods orders for the month of March. So in February, when pre-coronavirus was at up 1.1%. However, forecasts account for a drop of 12.8%, and it actually dropped much worse, down to 14.4%. Now, if you take out big ticket items like transportation, in February it dropped 0.7%, and forecasts account for minus 5.8%, and it only dropped 0.2% for the month of March. So you can see how much of a difference these big ticket items, transportation, really makes, as obviously it had much stronger drop in the month of March, but also higher in February. So you can see how much of a impact it does on those numbers there. Now, these are just big ticket items, so we want to see what the smaller items are doing, and this is what we're kind of seeing. This is kind of a little bit more realistic of what we want to look at. Kind of move on. I'm sorry about that. Consumer sentiment for the month of April. March, the final number goes at 89.1 after a pretty significant drop earlier in the month. And then forecast was calling for 69.3. It dropped, but not quite to that extent, to 71.8 for the file. This is consumer sentiment's file number for the month of April. So let's jump ahead here, see how this is looking on the headline news. Stocks are a little mixed. They actually started positive territory, but now they're kind of dipping a little bit. Dow just kind of dipped a little bit into the negative territory, but we'll see if it stays that way or if maybe it rebounds a little bit. It's like oil is rebounding a little bit, which is helpful for the energy sector. It's up to about 17, I think 17, $18 a barrel now, which is good news for that industry. Now we're basically starting the new cycle where it goes for the June. The previous one that closed up will be for May, and then this one now is starting for the June crude, basically. We also got the latest on the economic package from Congress, where they in the House that the new plan it's almost at $500 million, about $484 million, going towards the triple P. Part of it, but most of it, will be like 320 million going towards that triple P, the Payroll Protection Act, to fund that for the second time, and then also some are going towards hospitals as well as some other avenues. But the biggest thing is obviously self-employed borrowers can continue to use those funds, so get back that money, get back into their hands, so they can keep making their payrolls and such. So let's see how this is playing on the bond market. Bond market's up about 13 basis points. We were up a bit yesterday, as you can see here, but we did pull back and only end up closing up a couple basis points. So because of that, and I don't think most lenders priced for the worst, I think we're going to be kind of about the same, even though we're up 13 basis points, and normally that would be price improvement. But because the pullback yesterday, I think you're going to see pricing about the same as what we saw yesterday as a result of that. All right, and then here we're about pretty close. Yields really haven't moved that much. Right now we're down to 0.6, instead of 0.61 yesterday. So we're just kind of in the same range. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap. If you guys are in California looking to buy or refinance, please reach out. We are keeping pretty busy, actually. We're getting quite a few good, a lot of refinances, and getting some purchase transactions coming in. So if you guys want some assistance in that, please either direct message me or email me. Um, or if you want to just get started, I will include in the description a link. You can start putting your your information there, and we can contact you and discuss how you want to proceed if you're looking to buy or purchase, and what kind of loan programs you're looking for along those lines, and create a plan for you guys. So again, either email or direct message me is one way, or if you want to just talk first, or if you're ready and want to submit, just go ahead and submit in the description. There's a click here, and that will lead you to basically a loan application. It'll take your information, and then we can contact you from there. Just make sure you have your contact information so we can get back to you guys. All right, you guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you in Monday's video. Bye-bye.